In this video, I will guide you how you can create a blur effect on text in MS Word. Keep in mind, Microsoft Word does not have a direct blur text feature, but you can easily create a blur effect using shapes or picture tools. So here are two simple methods. So first select the text you want to blur. For example, I am selecting this word, and now go to the insert and click on the shapes and pick the rectangular shapes. Draw the rectangular shapes over the text, and now right click and go to the format shape. So under the fill, you need to select the solid fill and select the color of either white or gray. And now increase the adjust transparency slider to 30 to 60% to partially hide the text. This creates a soft blur or hidden effect. And under the line you need to select no line. And here you can see that some blur effect has been applied here. In the second method, you can create blur effect by using the picture blur effect. And now you want to blur this text. So take the print screen of that particular word by using the print screen button on the keyboard. And now go to the paint, Ctrl V to paste the screenshot. So reduce the size of the canvas to the text. And now go to the file and click on the save as and JPEG picture. And save the picture onto the desktop. Go to the Microsoft document again, click on insert, go to the picture, click on this device, select the picture and insert. Now right click and wrap text, go to the wrap text and pick square. And now select this text to the place where you want to put in and delete that particular sentence. So now click on the picture and right click and go to the format picture. So under the effects you need to click on that, and here you will see that the artistic effects. Click on that, and here you need to click on this arrow and select this blur grow diffused effect. And this is the way you can blur the effect. Moreover, you can also increase or decrease the transparency of that text from this slider. You can also increase or decrease the intensity by using this slider mode. So it is much better to use the grow diffuse text in the default numbers, like a transparency is 0% and intensity is 5%. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.